Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 28. Hope you all are fine and safe. So did you study the topics which we have discussed in the previous class? What all things we have studied? Already our 6th chapter, map reading. We have started that chapter, and it is related to the time zones. We will be studying about the time zones through a software named Sunlock software. We studied what is that software, how we can open that software. That also we have studied. Application, education, Sunlock software. And after opening that software, we familiarized about some different menus that we will be using in that software. Okay, so these all things we have studied in the previous class. So here today I will be doing a small activity regarding that. Okay, so before that, in last our exam, I have given one question regarding a report, that is regarding our second chapter. So mostly when I check that paper, I can see that mostly all of them have made the mistakes. Okay, so for that question was, they have given the main heading, subheading, and they are asking that the style and the section they are asking. Okay, so what we have to give there, that we have to in what way we have to write the answer. I will be showing our report. We have created one report. We have given styles to one report. I am opening that report in our school folder, standard 10. In student works, you can see our report which we have made before at the time of discussing the second chapter. So this is the report which we have made. In this report, you can see a lot of main headings you can see, which is in the red color. Subheadings you can see in the blue color. Okay, so they are asking that for the main headings, from which section we are giving the style. You can see here from which section we are giving the style for the main heading. You can see here the heading section. In the default style box, you can see the heading section. So for the main heading, we are giving, we are taking for applying the style, under which section we are going? The heading section. So when we are opening the heading section, you can see the style heading 1, and for the main headings, and the other style heading 2 for all the subheadings. So basically, if we are opening a report for giving styles for the heading, we are choosing the heading 1, and that heading 1 style is placed under the section heading. In the same way, for applying the styles for the subheading, we are giving the style heading 2, and the heading 2 is placed under the section heading. So that's what asked for the question in the question paper. Mostly all of them have made it incorrect answers. All of them had written the incorrect answers. So that is why I am explaining this here. I hope you all understood. I hope you all understood now. So if you got this type of questions, surely you can answer. I think surely you can answer. Okay, so I am closing this. So back to our lesson. You can see here. So I already explained what all things we have studied in the previous sections. So today we will be doing an activity, activity 6.1. It is regarding the time zones. So before that I am going to open our textbook. Just a second. Yes. So this much we have finished. We have opened our Sunlock software. We saw a Sunlock menu bar. We have familiarized about the different menus in the Sunlock software. So this is the first activity, time zones. It is a known fact that the time anywhere in the world is fixed with respect to Greenwich meridian of 0 degree longitude. This Greenwich meridian is the standard time of all over the world. For every countries we are comparing this time with respect to the Greenwich time. This Greenwich time is the 0 degree longitude. We can see a time that is the Greenwich meridian. So we are comparing all other time zones regarding to the Greenwich time. This Greenwich time comes from a place Greenwich in London. Okay, so according to that we have given the Greenwich meridian. This is also known as the prime meridian. You can see here, this is also known as the prime meridian. It is the line of 0 degree longitude, the starting point for measuring distance both east and west around the earth. The prime meridian is arbitrary, meaning it could be chosen to be anywhere. So the prime meridian is also known as the Greenwich time, which is the line of 0 degree longitude. It is the starting point of measuring the distance from both the east and west around the earth. So here we are measuring the time. In this activity we are going to measure the time from the 0 degree, from the Greenwich meridian to west and east. Okay, so we will be doing that. So they have given so before that we have to open the Sunlock software, and what we are doing is comparing to this Greenwich meridian. We are with respect to that we are calculating the time for to the west and to the east. When we have to click on 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree meridians to the east and west of the Greenwich line. And at that time we will be getting, in 30 degree we will be getting a date and time, in 60 degree also we will be getting in this manner we are going to calculate the date and time in the tabular form. So what we have to do, we are opening the Sunlock software. How I can open? Here you can see application, education, Sunlock software. So I am going to minimize this. So here now you can see this dark portion refers to the night, and the what we say, this this portion is refers to day. So here when I am clicking, I got the Sunlock menu. So from here I am clicking on the exclamatory mark. So just we will wait for it to come as minimize. Okay, so now we got that. So here you can see the different time zones. The red lines denotes the different time zones. And next what they have told in that activity, open the Sunlock, display the map showing the clock and map tool exclamatory mark. Click continuously in the toggle night tool to hide day and night. So the second option, the second step is they are asking to continuously click in toggle night tool. This toggle night tool is to hide the day and night. So what I am going to do is, so here you can see this is our menu bar, toggle night, this T, sorry, toggle night is M. Okay, the toggle meridian night is this toggle meridian tool is M. So when I am clicking on M, sorry, the toggle night tool is N. Sorry, I am saying this some mistakes was there. The second step is click continuously in the toggle night tool. Here you can see, click continuously in the toggle night tool to hide day and night. So I am going to click continuously, that it is N. So when I click on N, you can see it is going night and you can see the change. So now there is no night and day. Okay, so in this way we can hide day and night continuously. When we are clicking on in the toggle night tool, we can hide day and night. Okay, so the third step is click toggle meridian tool. Here you can see, click toggle meridian tool to display longitudes and click the 0 degree meridian. The solar time will appear at the bottom of the window. They told to click toggle meridian tool. For displaying the longitudes, we have to click on the toggle meridian tool. So what is this toggle meridian tool? How we will be getting? It is the M. So when I click here, you can see the toggle meridian tool to display the longitudes. When I am clicking here again, I can see the time in the down portion. So once more I am clicking, I can see the time in the upper portion. Okay, so that is the third step. And the next one, they are asking the Greenwich time. The Greenwich time, here you can see when I am clicking here, when I am clicking on this line 0 degree, you can see the solar time, or we can name it as the Greenwich time. That how much is the time? 17:33. So here we can mark. I have made a table. Already there is a table. It is showing in page number 74. There is a table. So they are telling to fill that table. So in the 0 degree longitude, which time they are showing? So just I have made that. Yeah, 0 degree longitude. What is the time? We will write the time here in the 0 degree. In the 0 degree, the time is showing is 17:34. It is the time, and the date is Friday itself. We can write here 17:34 Friday. Okay, now we are coming to 30 degree to west. Comparing to the 0 degree time, I am coming to 30 degree to west. So here you can see 30 degree to west means I am clicking here on 30 degree. So when I click here, you can see the time is 15:35 Friday itself. So I am marking that here. How much it is? 15:35. And when we are comparing to the east, when I am comparing it with east, I am taking 30 degree to the east. What is that? This is 0 degree, and I am going to 30 degree to east here. When I am clicking here, you can see the time is 19:33. You can see the time 19:33. So I am going to mark it over here. 19:33 Friday. This one also 19:33 Friday. Okay. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to take 60 degree from the 0 degree, from the Greenwich time, I am taking 60 degree to west. So what is the time? 13:35. I am going to mark this here. (13:35). What is the time? This date? Friday. Sorry, this is the day. The day is Friday. So here we can mark Friday. And next I am taking 60 degree to east. 60 degree to east means here. But it is 21:38. 21:38. Friday itself. (21:58). I hope it is clear to all of you. It is of colon. Yes. Yeah. So in this way, when we will take 90 degree also, that also I will be showing to you. You can see this is the 90 degree. When I click on this 90 degree longitude, what is the time? 11:37. It is 11:37. Friday itself. Again I am taking 90 degree to east. I am clicking on here. You can see 22:59. The solar time is 22:59 of Friday. Just a second. This is the 90 degree. I am clicking on this correct 90 degree. Okay, this 23:38. So we have to correct it. We have to click on the 90 degree longitude itself. Okay, so I am clicking on the correct portion. So what is that solar time? 23:38. In the same way, we can find the other degree meridian 120, 150 and 180. That means we can note down the time from comparing to 0 degree with respect to 0 degree, that 120 degree east with respect to 0 degree, and 120 degree west with respect to 0 degree, and 120 degree east with respect to 0 degree with respect to Greenwich time. In the same way, we can go for 160 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree and 180 degree. So after filling that, what change you can notice? I am taking this. Now I am not filling the whole thing. I hope you all understood. So here this is the 0 degree our solar time. When we click on the Greenwich time this longitude, what you can see, this you can see the time is 17:34 Friday. So when we compare the time with the other timing, that means in 30° meridian it is of 55, and in the west, and for 30° east it is of 19, and in the same way when we are coming to 16° it is of 13, and for the east it is of 21. So when we are comparing this 0° to 30°, it is of 2 hour difference. To the east and to the west it is 2 hour difference. When we are coming to 60°, what you can see, you can see 2 hour difference from 30 and 60° for west and east. So that is the main difference we have to notice while calculating the time zones. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So this much we will be discussing in this session. So in this way we can you can fill out the all other meridians. Okay, here you can see you have the time for 120, 150 and 180. So in this way, those who are having computers, try to fill out and you can write in the table. So what all the thing we have studied today, only one activity of doing the calculating the time zones. Okay, comparing with the Greenwich. So those who are having computer, practice doing that activity. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.